ihr seid hier mitten in den Alpen, umgeben von Bergen und einer milden Klima. Wir sind auf 680 Meter über Meer, haben trotzdem ein sehr mildes Klima, vor allem im Sommer, und die Winter sind nicht so kalt. Die Wohnqualität ist trotz des großen Lebens, auch das Nächtliche, immer noch sehr attraktiv, und das möchten wir auch bleiben, indem wir gewisse Veränderungen vornehmen. Das beinhaltet zum Beispiel schon wie mein Vorgänger, der Stockalper, hat hier die Straße bewässert, aber das waren dazu mal die Geißen, die das alles verschmutzt haben. Einmal wöchentlich wurde durchgewässert, und diesem Ziel von Stockalper gehen wir heute wieder nach.
I live here in Brig-Glis and I'm responsible for this project, Climate Action in Alpine Towns. And we have chosen the historic irrigation channels here because they are very vital here to this region, and it has been for centuries very important to have these water channels, use them and work with them in the agriculture. The climate challenges, especially for a town like Brig, are very important to deal with, because a town, like you can see here in the middle of the mountains, with a very dry climate for itself already, is facing rising temperatures, and we all know that cities are hot islands during the summer period, which we have already here, so it's very important to do something about this. And water channels can offer here something attractive, because it's good to look at it. They can offer cooling, moistness during hot summer days, and they can also help to prevent flooding. I think there are mostly two challenges we will face. One is to involve the key people who then can initiate projects and measurements. And the second thing is that certain measurements have a long-term view, and they can't just be realized within 2 or 3 months. We are planning to work with a communication platform where we can do surveys, where we can really involve people. I hope that with our project we can make the city more attractive in the long term, not only from us, from our side, but also from the population here. Let them participate, involve them, allow them to come up with their own ideas, and so make this project more sustainable in the long-term future, not only for the project period.